Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into another exciting construction update from the new Spotify Camp Nou. And trust me, the transformation is getting more impressive every single week. From massive structural progress to new areas taking shape across the site, the stadium is evolving fast and the visuals are just incredible. So let's jump straight into what's new on the ground. Hosting one of the largest concrete pours so far. After weeks of preparing reinforcement grids, installing water and service pipes, and completing the formwork, the surface is finally ready. Trucks arrive in rotation as the concrete pump begins its work, and the team carefully guides the hose while others operate vibrators to remove air pockets and ensure a uniform slab. This pour covers a major zone that took months to prepare, and completing it in a single operation guarantees strength and consistency across the parking level. With the full crew on site and clear weather, the area quickly transforms from steel and formwork into a solid structural platform for the new stadium. Next to the freshly poured section, the preparation for the waterproofing stage is already visible. Rolls of insulating and waterproofing membranes have been delivered and organized across the work area. This waterproofing is essential to protect the parking level, prevent moisture penetration, and create a sealed base for future flooring and technical installations. Further along the lateral, work continues on the ramp section that will connect the different levels of the parking structure. This area still requires reinforcement installation, pipe alignment, and formwork closure before its concrete pour can begin. This ramp is a key link in the internal parking circulation. In the Gol Norte area, work remains focused on the third cantilever. Unlike other zones where prefabricated alveolar panels are used, this section is built completely through cast-in-place formwork. The reinforcement is already complete. The formwork panels are installed across the entire stretch, and the area is now ready for pouring. This element is one of the final major structures needed to close the northern sector. The second tier has been rebuilt completely from scratch. Fresh pillars, including the unique finger pillars, now shape the structure and will support key components of the future design, especially the upper levels. Behind this tier, curved beams and heavy supports continue to rise, forming the backbone for future extensions. The lateral area is the center of activity this weekend, in the Diamond Zone, where the future Barca store will be located. The structure is almost ready for glass installation. Once the facade is closed, interior work, lighting, and finishes can begin, giving shape to one of the stadium's key commercial areas. This area is becoming a recognizable part of the new stadium. And that wraps up today's update from the new Spotify Camp Nou. The progress is impressive. From the roof to the outer frame, the parking levels, and those massive cantilevers, every part of the stadium is moving forward fast, and Barca's new home is taking shape beautifully. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a single progress report. There's a lot more coming, and we'll be here covering every major milestone as the stadium evolves.